Hi kids, how are you? Today I'm a bit bored and I don't know what to play. Oh, what's this? A mirror just fell from the sky. How strange. And okay, here we have a question. What are they and a face? All right, they are eyes. Come on, repeat with me. They are eyes. Hey, the light just went off. I can't see anything. Oh, okay, light again. And where are the eyes? The eyes are gone. And the letters are all mixed up. Okay, we need to find where are the eyes? Where are the eyes? Where are the eyes? Come on, let's see, explore everywhere. Hey, I think I saw them. They are under the bed. Under. Yes, found them. And wow, the letters now got back in their place. Super. The mirror, we have a different face. And the light now, it's pointing a different part. What is it? What is it? It is a nose. It is a nose. Oh, thunders are sounding and that might be that. Lights again went out. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, light back. Here we are. And where is the nose? Where is the nose? Where is the nose? Where is the nose? The nose is not under the bed. Where can it be? Oh, look at the closet. It's shaking a little bit. What if we open it? 1, 2, 3. Ah! There it is. Yes, the nose. And the letters again, back ordered. N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. It is a nose. Well done. And ta-da! The third face. And the lights now are pointing. What are they? They are ears and a mouth. They are ears and a mouth. Well done. Okay, mirror. Yes, I'm ready. Come on, I'm going to find them. Ready for the lights to go off. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Okay, I'm giving you the seconds you need, but I'll find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, mirror. We need the light. Where are the ears and the mouth? Ah, okay, light back. And children, help me find them. Where are the ears and the mouth? Where are the ears and the mouth? Where are the ears and the mouth? The mouth is just there, between the books in the shelf. All right, we have it. And look at the letters, M-O-U-T-H. Mouth, we have that one. But where are the ears? Where are the ears? Where are the ears? I don't find them anywhere. And the time is running. Oh, the mirror is about to disappear. Come on, let's find them. The carpet is shaking. Let's raise it up and yes, here they are. The ears are under the carpet and the letters are back. E-A-R-S. E-A-R-S. Great! Very well done. Remember, when you listen to a question starting with what is it, we need to answer saying it is a nose or it is a mouth. But if we have the question starting with what are they, not one but more, we need to say they are eyes or they are ears, right? Well done. Let's keep learning.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready to learn about the body parts? Yes, as well as these two structures. What is it and what are they? Look, here we have this beautiful gill, okay? And we have different numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go for the number 1. It is what is it? What is it? It is a nose. We have it here, okay? So what we have to do is to write it is a nose. Let me just take, I'm going to use the purple marker, yes, and write it is, and now a nose, N-O-S-E. And what you can do is to paint the letters N, O, S, and E, like that. Great. And now let's go for the number 2. What is it? What are they? Because we have 2. What are they? And they are eyes. Okay, now I'm going to use my pink marker and I'm going to write they, T-H-E-Y. They are eyes, E-Y-E-S. Great. And now let's paint the letters E like that, Y like that, E, great, and S. Super! Now let's go for the next part. Number 3. What are they? What is it? Because we have 1. What is it? It's, is it a mouth? Yes, it's a mouth. So let me now use the red one because we have the red lipsticks, okay? And write it is a mouth, M-O-U-T-H. And now let's paint the M. Then let's go for O. We do U, T, great, H, fantastic. And we have it. And finally, last part, what are they? What are they? They are ears. They are ears. And where are the ears? Here. Okay, let me just now take the green marker this time and write R, E, Rs. And again, you can paint the letters inside with the color you want. I've used green, but you can use the color you prefer. E-A-R-S. Well done!